welcome to Drunk on Drones. We are your hosts. I am Craig or Abdurrahman, and who are you?
You can call me Rosie.
Rosie?
Yes.
I don't even call you Rosie. No, you just call her Rosie. Ain't nobody call her Rosie. Trying to get all cute with it.
Rose, alright.
Cool. So, we have decided to take my channel into more like a travel vlog where we actually we go bicycling, we travel, we do overnights, and of course while I'm doing all this stuff and while we're doing all this stuff
with kids,
I fly my drones. I have 2 drones right now. I'm probably going to pick up some more in the near future.
We are foreigner living in
Germany. Exactly, we're 2 foreigners living in Germany. So we're going to hopefully, also help you guys learn about life in Europe, in Germany, as 2 foreigners. Speaking of being foreigners, where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia, Jakarta to be precisely.
How long have you been in Germany?
How long? I think it's almost 5 years.
Yeah, it's almost 5 years. How do you like it?
I love it because I don't see too much people here.
You don't see a bunch of people?
Yeah.
What does that mean? When in Jakarta there's a bunch of people?
Oh yeah, man, that's a lot.
Yeah, I actually know there's a lot of people in Jakarta. If you don't know, Jakarta has 29 million people in one city. That's almost, I think that's actually over 1/4 of the population of Germany.
He's no better than me. I don't even know that number.
I'm a lexicon of information, okay? I know everything. I got a fact for everything. So anyway, I'm from America. I'm from California, but I'm a Texas resident, and I've been here about the same time. I was living in the Middle East, and I came over here, and then I met this girl. And that's when I Googled Indonesia and found out about 29 million people in one city. And I was like, yeah, this girl's coming for sure. She wants to get out of all there. All them damn people.
Get away.
And so since you've been here, we've been around some places, haven't we? I've taken you some places, ain't you?
Yeah, mashallah.
You like them places?
Yes, that's very nice.
Well, we're gonna go to some more. We don't care about nothing. We don't care about the corona. We had corona.
We had corona.
We had it. As a family, we're all immune now. Got the antibodies to prove it.
Yes.
And so, we're ready to travel.
We are the pure blood too.
We're the pure blood. We're unvaccinated. That's right. So welcome to the channel. And if you have any questions, comments, even locations that you think we should visit in Europe, it doesn't have to be Germany. We are just people ready to roll out no matter where. We've been to Switzerland. Have you been to Switzerland with me?
Yes, Arosa.
Yeah, we went to Arosa, that's right. Yeah. Arosa was her pick, and that was a crazy place. And you don't get to pick again, okay? Guys, I'll tell you the story of Arosa another time. That was insanity, all right? And I've been to Austria, but I don't think I took you to Austria with me, did I?
No, you didn't take me with you.
France, Luxembourg, we've been everywhere. I was recently in the Netherlands, and I went to Belgium and all sorts of other places. No matter what, here nor there, we will go there. Give us good locations and we'll check them out. We're even down for Poland. Squirrel, run him over. Oh, darn it, missed.
What's that?
There's a squirrel. Sorry, guys. All right. We'll see you.